Hey Mustangs, I'm back. I'm making a video today to show you the things that you will be needing to make for field day. This is just the paper things. There's going to be a video for every one of the stations that you'll be able to watch, so you'll know what to do. So let me show you what I have here. Remember, I asked you to save toilet paper and paper towel tubes. Well, we still have coconut bowling and pineapple bowling in our stations this year. And here is one of my bowling pins. I took my toilet paper tube, and you're going to be getting some patterns for this so you can color. And I learned that I tried to put a bottom on this one. It doesn't sit as flat as I want. So all that I did was I colored my picture and cut it out. And then I put 2 strips of tape on the bottom, and I shoved in recycled paper and then put 2 strips of tape on the top, and it sits just fine. If there's a problem, I just push that up a little bit, it sits just fine. So you can make as many bowling pins as you'd like. There will be some toilet paper and paper towel tubes at school when you go next week, but there won't be enough for everybody to do 10. So I'm hoping you've been saving them like I asked. You also will get tiki guys that you can do the same thing with. Here's another one. So you'll be getting that at school next week. And then here is my ring toss. Paper plate. I cut the middle out of it. Here's my ring. And I got this online, this idea of cutting the bottom of my paper towel tube and taping it down, and it's been really pretty stable. I actually made it to Miss Coleman's house where we were working and back home and doing just fine. If you don't have paper towel tubes, just tape 2 toilet paper tubes together. Here's one of the tiki guys also. So here's my ring toss. And then here is the lei that I made. This was my prototype. In the bag that you're going to be getting at school will be a string, some color changing beads, and 2 straws. So you're going to need to cut your straws down. There'll be a video for this too. Cut your straws down to about 1 inch. And then you're going to be getting these flowers. I suggest coloring them before you cut them. Cut them out. And then the video will show you. You'll fold them in half and then in quarters, and then cut a little hole for your string to go through. Or if you have a hole punch, that'll work too. You just don't want the hole to be bigger than the straws or it won't work. So those are the pieces that you're going to need to make for your stations. There'll be other things, but for now, this is what I have for you. Talk to you soon. Miss you all.